You thought life is coming back to normal and there is no room for any further surprise. But somebody has a different plan. I'm not talking about COVID wave or another lockdown. I'm talking about a big change in the exam pattern of one of the biggest law entrances in the country after class 12. Ji haan, All India Law Entrance Test, which is conducted by National Law University Delhi, has decided to come up with a changed or revised exam structure. With just 3.5 months left, I'm sure you are in for a surprise. AILT, जो नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी दिल्ली द्वारा कंडक्ट किया जाता है, has been decided that there will be a change in the examination pattern. The exam is scheduled on 1st of May 2022 and it will be conducted from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. The application process for AILT 2022 starts on 17th of January and closes on 7th of April. Talking about that change, instead of having those 5 usual sections, now the exam will have only 3 sections. जी हाँ, सिर्फ 3 sections होंगे examination के अंदर. Which are those sections? Section A will be about English language, having 50 questions. Section B will be about general knowledge and current affairs with 30 questions. The section C will be on logical reasoning, having 70 questions, which means almost 50% weightage is now assigned to the logical reasoning section. इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं कि लीगल रीजनिंग आएगा ही नहीं. नो, लीगल रीजनिंग will be there, but the questions based on legal principles will be part of the logical reasoning section. And they will test your understanding and familiarity with the legal reasoning. But one thing definitely changes. There will be no mathematics section out here. So for those who fear mathematics, this is a welcome change in that direction. There is no change as far as marking scheme is concerned, which means for every correct attempt, the candidate will get 1 mark, and for every incorrect attempt, the candidate will be penalized by 0.25 marks. What about the tiebreaker? Obviously, अगर एग्जाम में चेंज हुआ है, सेक्शंस के ऑर्डर चेंज हुए हैं, तो टाई ब्रेकर भी चेंज होगा. सो द न्यू टाई ब्रेकर looks at the logical reasoning section instead of the legal reasoning section, which has been removed. So in case 2 or more candidates have a similar overall score, then the scores in the logical reasoning section will be looked into. The one having the higher score will be getting a better rank. What if there is a tie even in the logical reasoning section score? In that case, seniority in age will be taken into consideration. And if again there is a tie happening, in that case, a computerized draw of lots will decide who gets what rank. As far as the intake is concerned, there are no changes. A total of 104 seats will be available in respective categories. There are 6 seats reserved for students belonging to person with disability category, and that is based on 5% horizontal reservation, which has been made available to them. Apart from this, there are some supernumerary seats as well, which means over and above the 110 across the different categories, there will be another 13 students being admitted. 1 seat has been kept for Kashmiri migrants, 2 seats have been kept for residents of Jammu and Kashmir, and 5 seats across each of the categories foreign nationals and OCI and PIO has been kept. A candidate who is an OCI or a person of Indian origin has a choice to apply either as a foreign national or as an Indian national. If such candidates decide to apply as an Indian national, they will have to appear for AILET examination. If they apply through foreign national category, they will be exempted from taking AILET. However, a separate process will be followed for them to admit them to National Law University, Delhi. The application starts on 17th of January, and as usual, we at LST will be coming out with a session on how to fill the application form, a step-by-step guide so that you do not commit any mistakes. Check out the link in the description and join the session with us to have a detailed idea as to how to proceed on filling the application form for AILET 2020.